how do I remove negative keywords that might be hurting my PPC performance? Very easy to remove these ones. The way how we would do it, in Scaleway, we are going to pull a 30 days performance report. Here we're looking for specific search terms. And then for those specific search terms, we're looking at a few things. From all search terms that generate zero sales technically, right? From those, which are the ones that are closely describing our product, yet it's not our product, because those might not be necessarily negatives just right away, right? And then the second, which are the terms that are explicitly not describing our product? For example, I just showed you here this, right? So this is a glass container. If someone would be searching for tumbler that is stainless steel, my product should not show for it, right? So stainless, everything that is stainless steel should be considered negative, or even everything that is stainless could be considered negative phrase. So let me know if that answers your question, but the easiest way for us is going to be download the last 30 days report and answer these questions. How do I remove negative keywords that might be hurting my PPC for performance? Again, you would still be doing the same process. So downloading your 30 days search term report, and then there you will also see whatever is already negative. Now, from whatever is negative, you would again look into, hey, if this is my product and I, by mistake, added something negative to it, that should not be. So if, for example, I added glass in phrase match and this is already from glass, that could be something that you might want to remove. So the way how we're going to do it, again, get enough data, then based on that data, just go through all the keywords that are there, see which one are clearly not relevant for your product, keep them in, but the ones that are tricky, especially like, for example, glass in phrase match, that can really bring down a lot of good keywords, right, for your product. So those are the first one that I would be negating them. There's also a quick option to do this from your campaign manager, so that can be also a way to do it.